And today we're making a delicious and healthy meal that's perfect for the whole family. Herby Fish Fingers with Chinese-style rice is a quick and easy recipe that everyone will love. It's packed with flavor and uses simple ingredients you can find at your local grocery store. Let's get cooking. This recipe is incredibly versatile. You can use any type of white fish you prefer. Cod, haddock or tilapia would all work wonderfully. Feel free to experiment with different herbs as well. Dill, parsley or chives would add a lovely freshness to the fish fingers. First, we'll start with the rice. Grab a large pot and fill it with water. Bring the water to a boil over high heat. Add a pinch of salt to the boiling water. This will season the rice and enhance its flavor. Now, pour in the rice and give it a good stir. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot with a lid and let the rice simmer for about 25 minutes. This will ensure that the rice is cooked through and fluffy. While the rice is cooking, we can prepare our Herby Fish Fingers. In a small bowl, crack the eggs and whisk them together. Add the chopped coriander to the eggs and season with salt and pepper. Mix well to combine. Cut the fish fillets into chunky strips. Dip each fish strip into the egg and coriander mixture, making sure it's fully coated. Heat a large non-stick pan over medium heat and add the rapeseed oil. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the coated fish strips in the pan. Fry the fish fingers for a couple of minutes on each side, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are cooked through. While the fish is frying, add the peas, beans, spring onions, chili flakes remaining, coriander, tamari and sesame oil to the cooked rice. Stir well to combine all the flavors. Once the fish fingers are cooked, remove them from the pan and set them aside. Add the cooked rice mixture to the pan and stir to combine. Serve the rice in bowls and top each bowl with the crispy Herby Fish Fingers. Garnish with extra coriander if you like. Enjoy.